Excited to have you join me on this channel. Welcome to the second series on Spreadsheet. We will continue on Spreadsheet feature terminologies, steps to perform operations with an example of spreadsheet program, that is Microsoft Excel, how to load MS Excel, overview of the environment, how to minimize and maximize the window, how to restore the window, how to exit the window. Worksheet consists of columns, rows, and cells. It consists of multiple worksheets within a workbook. Charts are graphical representation of data, e.g. bar charts, histogram, pie charts, etc. Data range is a set of data which can be internal or external. A set of data entered directly into the worksheet are internal, while external are a set of data outside the worksheet. The rows are numbered 1, 2, 3, and the columns are named with letters A, B, C, etc. Cell address are identified by the column letter and the row number, e.g. A1, B3, Y7. The name box shows the name of the active cell, that is the cell address. The current or active cell is always highlighted. Spreadsheet offers support to enter formulas in a cell using cell address as operands. Don't worry, you understand better later. How to load Microsoft Excel. Method 1, through the shortcut menu, navigate to the Excel icon, double click, or navigate to the Excel icon, right click, a pop-up menu appears, then you select open. Method 2, through the start menu, you click on the start button, select all apps, navigate to Microsoft Office and click. Select Microsoft Office Excel. Or you click on the start button, type Excel, Microsoft Office Excel is being highlighted, then you press enter. Overview of the environment. This is how Microsoft Excel environment looks like. This is the menu bar. This is a title bar which contains the name of the application and the file. We have the standard toolbar. We have the task bar, the status bar, the worksheet, the column letters, the row numbers, and the active cell. Minimize button. The minimize button reduces the window screen to an icon on the task bar. Maximize button expands the window screen to fill the entire screen. Restore button. The restore button restores down the expanded window. And here is the restore button. How to exit the window. Method 1, go to the office button or file menu, select exit. Method 2, go to the top right corner, then select the close button. Method 3, use the keyboard, press alternative F4, then press enter. You can lay your hands on the following exercise. Kindly subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you.